Welcome to the Biotech Studio. In basements, community labs, and home garages around the world, a quiet revolution is taking place. It's not being led by governments or big corporations, but by everyday people who are curious, bold, and determined to take biology into their own hands. This is the world of biohacking, where science meets creativity and citizen scientists are changing the rules of innovation. Biohacking, also known as DIY biology, is the practice of experimenting with biology outside of traditional lab environments. It's about making biotechnology more accessible, open, and community-driven. From genetic engineering and microbiology to wearable tech and nootropics, biohackers are exploring ways to improve the human body, enhance the environment, and democratize science. What makes biohacking so powerful is its inclusiveness. You don't need a PhD to participate. All you need is curiosity, a basic understanding of biology, and a desire to experiment. Community biolabs and open source tools are making it easier than ever to get started. These spaces provide equipment, mentorship, and a platform to share discoveries. In many ways, they are becoming the modern-day equivalent of the garage in which tech legends once built the first personal computers. One of the most exciting areas of biohacking is genetic tinkering. Biohackers have learned how to extract DNA, modify genes using CRISPR, and even engineer bacteria to glow, clean up oil, or produce scents. While it might sound like science fiction, these projects are very real, and they're happening in community labs around the globe. Some enthusiasts are even developing low-cost diagnostics for diseases or engineering yeast to brew custom flavors of beer. Human enhancement is another growing trend. Some biohackers experiment with nootropics, substances meant to improve memory, focus, or mood. Others are exploring body augmentation, like RFID chip implants to unlock doors, or sensors that detect air quality. While controversial, these efforts push the boundaries of what technology and biology can do when merged. Of course, the rise of biohacking also raises important ethical and safety questions. Who regulates these experiments? What if something goes wrong? Many biohackers advocate for responsible innovation, transparency, and collaboration with experts. Open source ethics and safety guidelines are becoming part of the culture, helping prevent misuse while encouraging creativity. Governments and scientific institutions are beginning to pay attention. Some see biohackers as partners in innovation, able to accelerate discovery and solve problems faster. Others are more cautious, calling for regulations to prevent potential risks. The key will be finding a balance between freedom to explore and responsibility to protect. At its core, the citizen science movement behind biohacking is about empowerment. It's about giving people the tools to understand and shape the living world around them. It's about transforming science from something that happens behind closed doors into something that's open, playful, and participatory. The biohacking revolution is still in its early stages, but its impact is already being felt. From personalized medicine to sustainable biotech, it's unlocking new possibilities and inviting everyone to be a part of the journey. Whether you are a student, a scientist, or just someone fascinated by the future, biohacking offers a glimpse into what happens when biology is no longer confined to the lab. Welcome to the frontier of DIY biology, where curiosity is the only qualification, and the next breakthrough might just come from your neighbor's garage. Don't forget to subscribe to the Biotech Studio for more bold stories from the world where science meets society.